This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about placemats, specifically these Artisan stripe placemats. And we have it here in cream and brown, but there's a variety of other colors and prints available as well. They are 16 inches by 12 inches, making them a great size to use with any table setting. And they have a nice change in the weave that creates texture and this lovely stripe effect on the border. They're perfect for creating contrast and a nice warmth and softness in your place settings. And they're going to help protect your tables from spills and messes. They're easy to wipe down in between uses or wash with soap and water when needed. The woven vinyl fibers give a nice soft look of fabric while also being incredibly durable, giving you a really long-lasting item that's going to stand up to repeated heavy use. They're available in a wide selection of colors and prints, so they're going to go with a really big variety of color schemes and really blend well with your dining room. They're perfect for use in commercial food establishments or just for long-lasting use at home.